I just did this Crawlspace inspection on the house built in 1941. Found several issues which I will be going over in a second. First thing I noticed when I went in the Crawlspace area, the stem wall, which is this exterior wall that holds up the main foundation, has holes in it every 6 to 8 inches. Years ago, they did that for subterranean termite treatment. We have limited ventilation. And the problem with limited ventilation is it causes decay fungi on your floor joists, your trusses, your subflooring. Eventually, what the decay fungi does is actually rots the wood out and decays the wood and causes some major issues in your Crawlspace area. Back on this side, you see the vents are clogged also. Besides being clogged, there's dirt over the ventilation area. You have efflorescence coming through the cinder block. What efflorescence is water intruding, going on the inside of the Crawlspace area, increasing the humidity and causing problems with the decay fungi. This is good ventilation system here. The whole house Crawlspace area should be like this. You should have cross-through ventilation for good passive airflow in the Crawlspace. Back here, they need to be sealed to prevent rodent intrusion, have screens in the back of them. In the Crawlspace area, they actually have galvanized plumbing, which Ken went over. A lot of the connections down underneath through the years have rusted. You could see the connections. They've replaced some of the copper piping underneath by use of shark bites. They have cast iron drain lines running under the house. Some of it's been replaced with PVC. Cast iron drain lines deteriorate from the inside out, the same as the galvanized, cause leaks. In this house in particular, all the cast iron drain lines need to be replaced. This area of your Crawlspace, this one piece of wood, is called a rim joist. The rim joist holds up your exterior walls of the house. On the side of the house, we have improper flashing of the decking, which is causing decay on the rim joist with elevated moisture readings. This house has an unusual situation to it. Half of the floor running parallel with the house is actually concrete. It's 3 or 4 inch concrete. The front half is wood framing. You do not find that much in these older houses here in Tampa. This area back in here, your deck is connected to your rim joist. Back over on this side, the same thing. You have your deck attached to your rim joist. I have elevated moisture readings going all the way through the rim joist on the back side. There is wood decay. The proper repair for this is the deck boards be removed, all this wood trim be removed, and it properly flash. And it's quite a big job doing this. The chimney foundation is on the stem wall under the house. Chimney foundation is in good condition. It's on solid concrete footers. The piers holding it up are in good condition. There's no issues with it underneath. A couple other things you have to look for with the cast iron plumbing. Even though they're in the house, they could also be running out to your main sewer line. That could be a very big expense for your client. If they change the plumbing inside the house to PVC for your drain line, always be sure you recommend the camera go down the system and check the entire system, the drain going out to the street, because that could cost your client $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 to do also. In the bottom of the house, we have piers holding up the center of the house. The piers look good. The stem walls, everything underneath looks in good condition. All the main issues are with the wood decay and your decay fungi from improper flashing and lack of airflow.